Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Mess. Give a minute. Welcome back to Trading Mess. Today is July 4th, Friday. Um, we had a great week this week. We are almost up 1,000 pips this week, and today's was a really consolidating market. So that's why there were no trades to give you also. In the Telegram also, I was trying to give you trades, but there were no trades. Let me show you how today's chart was. Okay. Hmm. Yes, this is. So the trade we were in was this. I told you to cut your positions at 31. Because 31 pay we had a good support. Not a good support. Uh it's like consolidation ka support. It would be broken in the future, of course. If you're still holding, that's fine. But it's good to close because we don't know what the markets will do um, over the weekend, but I'm predicting same as last time that if it goes up, we have selling levels at the top, and if it goes down, we have buying levels in the bottom. So today's trade, easy trade. That was today. This one we marked yesterday, 120. Okay, I might have written uh mistake. 31. Okay, 130 pips. Sorry. 130 pips. I might have written 140 pips in the group. Let me change that. 130 pips. So we had 130 pips till now. This in the morning, 11:45. We're in this trade from 11:45 after 11:15. Yeah, sorry, 11:30. 11:30 of today we are in this trade, and we booked our trades couple minutes ago at 8:15 or so. That's fine. 120 pips. We actually capture daily. If you see the daily time frame, we might 50-60% of daily candle is the really bad candle. That one, no bottom wick. Mm, I think I know why this is. This says that gold is bearish, incredibly bearish. There is bearish, but uh, from this level, yeah, we'll have a better selling from this level. This market structure का level. On daily time frame market structure. So good selling from here. And I'm thinking this will be an order block which should be formed as a result of this market structure. For this market structure, and also there is an order block as well. So maybe that's why it's forming. But as far as I know, to show the market structure, today was a consolidating candle, which is a green candle. So this could be an order block for the future. So next day, if it comes back to these levels, we'll sell and can target to these levels as well. 250 just buying level that it just to go up from here on. Let me pull up Fibonacci and see if this is some significant level. Saw that tested also, no? 50 to 60% fine engulfing candle. I mean, come on, from here only market should go down. It's because this has become an order block. So gold is bearish. Daily time frame say gold is bearish. Sorry, but where will we sell from to have higher targets? This will be the higher targets. This will be where we can capture a lot of higher targets. If not, if not, the selling we are in is the best level to sell. Or this market structure has never reached, which is 50 50 pair. Let's see. If no, this is not market structure, is it? Mm, I can take that as market structure. That's fine. Mm, yep, from 50 to this all the selling area, and as this is an order block, love I will be loving to sell point. So bearish on gold. My intuition is clear for next week. Uh, but this candle formed because it has to form an order block, and if this is an order block, it's going to form. Next candle will be very bearish. No, it should close below this level to make this an order block. So below next candle, next day candle, which is Monday's candle, will close below 323. If that happens, this will become an order block, which it wanted to be. And yeah, we could take bearish trades. Or if tomorrow we'll have a week towards, tomorrow, I'm saying tomorrow, it's Monday. This is Friday, so Monday pay, if it gives week till here, then we can sell. We could actually look for this market structure, which is where it could go buying from. And from here, I have uh, yeah, no, if it goes buying from here, I'm fine with it. That's what I'm trying to say. This 250 level is a good thing. This is a great structure, even though there are a lot of fair value gaps to fill in the downside. At time frames, gold is looking like it's consolidating and it wants a breakdown to just get up, got its liquidity, and it's still consolidating. That means it will come back to this level, give a little bit upper side move, and fall from there. Or maybe these levels, 3022, 3000 per level. 3000 per level, we'll see. This trend line, disappointed that it didn't work out. Daily time frame, the trend line it was. At a closing, here it should fall down after testing this. It closed above and closed below. Yeah, some messy trend line that is. Basically, yeah, that is my intuition, bearish on gold. Uh, there's a lot of selling levels. I'm seeing a lot of selling levels. This one, this market structure, okay, it's satisfied. Okay, that's one. Here we have 3375 selling is there. So a lot of selling structures. So probably we'll go. We're into selling only. We are currently selling also. I mean, we are out of that trade. But if it gives any entries to us, I'm happy to take. Let's see if there was any entries that we could take so that we cover that. We're 130 pips up, which leaves us with the 30 pips more to capture to make this 1000 pips a week. So let's see if that happens. Let me pop into 30 minutes time frame and see if there's a structure I can sell from. This would be good level to sell from. Hmm, if it's too far away after this consolidation, maybe it's breaking out of it. Let's see. If this happens, let's sell. 1 hour pay, let me check. It's doing. It's auto block has been tested. Fine. Mm, yeah, I'm fine with this level. 40 allows that. Only 30 pips, but the way the market is behaving, will it do that? Let's see if it does that. We will sell from here. Here will be a scalp. So, mm, 30 pips. Capture this. This is a scalp, as I told you. Risky scalp. Could avoid it. But, yeah, very high chances of being a success. Hmm. Let's see. Let's have a alert over there. When it comes to that level, we'll have uh, to we have an alert. Will ring when it comes back to that level. So without that, I don't think we have a lot of things to discuss today. I think open here. Open where did we open? It's opened here. Gap down opening we had. Okay. Then consolidation. One good candle from where the buying is coming. And if this candle 1 hour, okay, it's going to close. Uh, I'm really hoping if it tests this because there is a possibility that it could fall after forming this order block. So that here I already have an order block now. So mm, this order block is already formed and we need another one. No, that is not an order block. It's still not an order block. So I don't want this to be a bullish order block now if I want to sell. So I don't want closing above this. But the next candle which is going to come, just give us a wick to us and sell from there. So closing above this level, I don't want to T3D it. We won't do it. If this hour in 50 seconds, I don't think it would close above that. But if it closes above that, let's not do it. Let's not do this sell. If it doesn't, and the next candle comes to this level, then we can trade. We can sell from there. Hmm. Let me pull up. Let me have my limit order placed because these days you should have limit order placed with the way things are going. Market is closed. What does that mean? It's like last Friday only. I don't know why market is closed. But nevertheless, this is the trade we are interested in. And I think that's why there is no volume and nothing is quite happening. हम्म, ठीक है और now पे what I tell you this candle might be because of 830 the X5 are falling 830 yep here it is closing below this there is structure next 930 and 1030 also there is candles but in gold 930 and 1030 as it was what level is this though? I think this is testing some level here which is this one only 42 ka level. I think 1 day pay of 4 hour time frame there is a good level. So yeah, we had an order block. Next, we had an red candle, which became an order block after this closing, the next green closing. But we were into selling from here, and we sold sharp entry, drawdown of we had 40 pips ka stop loss. Why do we have that much stop loss? 45 pips ka. Should just have 40 pips ka. 40 pips also high, only 35 pips ka is fine. So risk-free level tapped in the next hour only, T38 or something. Yeah, it was a good trade. It was risk-free, so it didn't matter what happened to the trade. Nevertheless, we did win this to 130 pips. That's great. Mm. Overall, 30 pips behind the 1000 pips. But if you've done some scalping and something on your own that we marked and hold it a little more than what we expected and got that 30 pips as well. That is yours. You made 1000 pip day possible. So whatever the trades I give, they are they are they're on intuition and probability. So if you take those trades, there's a probability that you might win. But taking those trades is your responsibility. If you do take those trades, then the profit that you make is your own. That is not mine. That is not what I've made you do. It's just what you did. You trusted that level, then you sold from there and you got the profits. I'm just here to tell you, teach you to understand the game. So this move, I mean, the best traders in the world also could capture only this move today. This move is irrelevant. It's the XY ka move, so who will capture this? And it was also 8:30. Who is waking up at 8:30? Sold, yeah, fine. 130 pips. Great day, great week. And our levels, as you know, this level we marked yesterday. So I told you to have limit orders placed. If you are not placing those orders, that is not my responsibility. You have to do that. And yeah, our buying level didn't tap, or did I said key closing below this level happens in even 15-minute time frame, sell from there as well. So that also didn't happen. Only this one happened. Three possibilities. One possibility happened, and that gave us a very good tips. You can hold on to this trade, but a little risky because the selling I'm looking for is in the market structure time frame. I think this is the one, the tiny time frame, 50. I was 50, around 50. So that level is where I would want to sell. I think this is the level. Why I'm saying 50? Shown up as 50. Okay, there are two levels. Fine. Yeah, 50 is yeah. I'm looking for 50. 50 is the level where I would want to sell from. Where is 50? Hmm. I mean, could be done, but very unlikely. Yeah, it could be done actually. Next week we can do this. Hmm. Yeah, pretty boring day. Wanted to break out of this consolidation. At least give us a bullish move, bullish momentum, but nothing. Consolidation, no trades. Yeah, nothing else. 15 minute now also. Opening here, gap down opening, and a little bit selling from here, which level is 32 per selling. Okay. Then liquidity and this order block is selling, significant order block. A little bit of that selling. Fine. Then we have this because of DX5, it's falling abruptly with no what no no top wicks. Right? It opened, it closed. There was no top wicks. I think that was the case. Okay, 30 and 30 and 30. The opening, yes, closing also. This closing didn't have any wick. This closing didn't have almost no wick. This closing doesn't have a wick. People are eager to sell. This yeah, a lot of non-wick red candles. A lot of selling. That is why we could see this move in gold, which is fair also. And this is 60% level. So I'm hoping from this level we can look for like look to the bottom. So there is a possibility that we could hold this straight towards the end, but still a possibility. And after this, I think change of character happened. Yeah, a little bit consolidation. Double top happened. Fine. Oh, no closing below this, just below this, so that we could trade. No. And yeah, pretty much that was it. We gave a double top, which was great indication for our selling. See, it tried to overcome this. It couldn't. Neither did here. So yeah, our level was very good. 44 ka level, very fine level, which we bought from earlier, I think. Yeah, we bought here, no? Or did I bought this? No, no, we bought here from here only. This was our trade, yesterday ka trade. Yesterday ka morning ka trade, yesterday sensations trade. At the same level we sold. I think it was the same region that I'm showing. It's in the green color, but it should be red. No, too much red, I don't want to have, but still okay. Let's have that red. So that level is why we have this selling. And also, yeah, 4 hour also this was a fair value gap cover and a lot of things happening. Yeah, pretty wonderful trade, pretty good trade. Pips in the chat. Nothing, just this day is not much of a talking day, whereas no levels. I mean, in lower time frames, there might be 5 minutes where you could find this happening, closing above this level, which indicated for us to buy from here. But what? How many pips will be 35 to 42, 70 pips you buy? And here, it came to here also. Yeah, this could have been done, but very risky. And as we are seeing gold to be bearish, taking that kind of trades above these levels is very risky. If you're seeing gold to be bearish, and if we are having a close above a last swing high of 5 minutes or last high of 5 minutes, you shouldn't just jump into buys, no, because you're looking at to sell, so liquidity could happen, common sense. So that is why I didn't see it, but even though if I saw it, still that common sense, but we could have anticipated that yes, 50% now tapped before, and it gave a acha khasa pips. Now 60% should be tapped to have a bit more pips for us. And yes, that might just be one kind of intuition. Hmm. Yes, I think that is it. I think nothing more. The trades are fixed, only same trades. Yesterday, what we talked about. And this trade, if it comes to that level, we can sell. 4 hour ka opening happened just now, and no volume. Volume is just not there. 4 hour ka opening, no. I think market is closed. Yes, market is closed. Uh, I need to keep up with the markets. I don't know why it closed, but there must be some reason that market just closed. Fine. Yeah, that is all. I think maybe a bank holiday for today in US. That is why USD is USD also consult. This is also consolidation only after this move. See, this move is exact opposite to this move. No? Could you see that? Could you see it? It's a mirror image. Could you see it? It's a water image, not a mirror image. It's a water image. Can you see the difference? Um, yeah, that is how strong the correlation between gold and USD is. Yeah, that will end to the session. Uh, Very good week. Almost 1,000 pips up. Let's hope next week also will be the same. Uh, Next week starts from which date? 7th of July. Okay, let's see next week what happens. But yeah, I'm bearish on gold. Let's see selling levels, buying scalps, and trend line K, anything is forming. Key levels to mark. I think there's no key levels that has formed right now. It's in consolidation, so closing above or below this will give us some key levels. Until then, there is nothing. It's just there's just nothing there. Okay, so very short session, but don't forget to backtest your trades, backtest our strategies, which we have worked for so long. Backtest them and try to see what's happening, what's the XY doing at the same time, so that we can relate to the same time frame, same thing in the future when we are trading gold or something like this. This trend line cut trade. See all these observations you should have. You have trend lines marked. Let me mark a trend line if You might be wrong, but just have to take that chance. See, apparently I'm not wrong. Yeah. Mm, and that would be great if it comes to that level, but market is closed. This would have been great. I mean, it's also telling you sell from here from a trend line also, which we are marked for market structure also, which is the fair value gap cover also. So all these intuitions make you want to sell more, and you can sell more. That is it. That is how easy it is. Now with that, let's end this session. Let's come back next week with the same motivation, same trades, same kind of trades, uh, capture same kind of pips, about 1,000 pips. Most of our 1,000 pips hit in the first 3 days only. After that, we'll just look for, yeah, we just look for scalping trades and all because manipulation happens at least once a week. Once a week, we definitely have manipulation. Hmm. Okay, then. Let's leave. I'm trying to find levels, but I'm not. Fine. Next week. Let's come back next week with the same motivation. Hmm. Take care. Bye bye. Trade with Maze. Keep the motivation up. Please do subscribe to the YouTube and also to Telegram channel. We post trades every day, and I think we have a pretty good win rate. We do 3 to 4 trades a day, not more than that, and we probably win most of them, which is I think almost we have above 95% win rate if we take out the break freeze. Sorry, break freeze, risk freeze. Then yeah, that's a great statistics for our Telegram channel and also live streams, of course. So with that, let's end today's session. I'll see you to next week. Maybe I'll make videos on our strategies in the weekend. I'll upload in a different folder, and that would be a great thing for us to have strategies building, new strategies building every day. Because adapting to the markets is kind of what we should do. So, see now what the strategies we are using may not work in in the next week or next month. What we should do is we should journal those strategies, and these strategies at some point of time, maybe next year or maybe after 2, 3 months, they will work again. I mean, every strategy works in the market. It's just a time. It's just, is it your time? Is it that strategy's time? That is what you should be looking for. Now it's market structure ka time, and there are a lot of times where market structure doesn't work in gold only. And it was before 2 months, there was liquidity ka time where liquidity trades were happening, and now low liquidity trades happening. I mean, liquidity by selling is happening, but liquid before that, liquidity by buying was very trending at that time. So that Fibonacci was happening 50% say, then it shifted to 60%, then it just stopped following. Now it came back. Yeah, that happens. See, understanding all these strategies will build up your build up your character towards trading, and with that, you could be able to conquer any markets. See, I was seeing BTC. I took a scalp even in the BTC. Perhaps not this. I was waiting for this level. I guess we it got buying before that only, just before tapping our level. But I took a scalp from BTC from here after this structure a break and look for 600 to 700 points. See, this is what trading is, understanding different kind of charts, different kind of trades. That is what it just is. You should be more into your EURUSD and USD JPY, all these things. But as we have good margins in gold, good spreads, I mean, that is why we do gold a lot. And and also volatility is great in gold. So this is not a great movement. It's consolidating in higher time frames. Gold doesn't consolidate in higher time frames. I mean, it moves at least to some extent, not like this. And we could capture, but it's messy. Gold is not like this. It's sharp at sometimes. It's consolidating at sometimes. Manipulation, distribution. Yeah. BTC also is a great one to trade. It also has a different way of itself, different character to itself. This trade I marked, I think, some days ago. Pretty good trade that one as well. Uh, I invested. I did not take a trade, but I invested because this was a good level, no? So 110 was my 120 was my next target, all-time high. I think I had a line over there. Here it is. Yes, here it is. 120 is my target. Let's see. Mm, does it have 120 in it, or I should just take it out here? You'll understand. So yeah, with that we'll end today's session. Uh, we'll keep updating in the Telegram channel of the trades. Trade with Maze and keep the motivation up. See you Monday.